This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to install applications on your Android phone. So we're looking for the Google Play Store. So this is what it looks like right here, this little button. So this is the Google Play Store. You can find it in the Google folder too sometimes. So you might find it under there. Just swipe up from the bottom and we can just type in Store. So if you're on a Samsung phone, you're going to have the Google Play Store, and then you're going to have the Samsung Store right here. Both are going to have some apps in it, but the Google Store will have more. And you can use both apps to really install applications and update them if you want. So this one has apps and games. Now all you have to do is go to it and select it, and you should be able to install it. So this little down arrow, you can install it with that. So I typically never use the Samsung Store. That's more of a backup. I usually just go to the Google Play Store. So if you have like a Google Pixel, a Motorola or something like that, go to the Google Play Store right here, this symbol, and open this up. You should be signed in with your profile now. And all you have to do is search for the app you want. And then you should be able to start playing. So we got games, apps down here. Scroll on down, we got stuff like TikTok, etc. You can search for your app. So let's install an app right now. So we have Facebook Lite. I'm not sure what this is. So you can just go to install right here. It'll get your account information. And it'll start installing the application. You can skip. You don't need to have a credit card on here. Once this is done, it should be added to your apps list. So if you swipe up from the bottom, you should be able to see it now. So here it is, Facebook Lite or something. And then we can just drag it to the home screen. And here it is. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.